Scheduling was critical to the successful completion of this project and demanded SAI's ability to meet the phasing constraints. SAI developed a detailed progress schedule to assure that labor resources, overtime, and weather was incorporated into pricing for the project bid. The Westover project involved the removal and replacement of concrete airfield pavement in the route of a new fuel pipeline through the aircraft parking apron. The concrete pavement specification was a new version of a previous specification. The new version severely limited the testing labs that could perform the material testing and had very stringent material quality provisions that limited the materials that could be utilized. The concrete material approval process, originally scheduled to take 6 months, actually took 9 months to complete. The unplanned delay required SAI to revise the original schedule of airfield construction. The exterior coating on all of the existing buried fuel piping contained asbestos. SAI had a contract with an environmental remediation subcontractor for asbestos work later in the project. By expediting the asbestos work plan, filing the necessary notices, and developing the scope of work to define the abatement needed, SAI was able to develop a fixed-price estimate to remediate the asbestos. The existing concrete pavement had been constructed over the top of an older concrete pavement section and was actually over 36 inches in thickness. Additionally, both layers of concrete pavement were found to be heavily reinforced. To mitigate failure to complete the apron reconstruction by the deadline, SAI opted to move forward with the additional work at risk. SAI was ultimately paid for the additional work associated with the differing site condition. The USACE avoided delay costs resulting from the differing site condition, and the Air Force received full use of their aircraft parking apron before the onset of winter.